Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. The project title is Improving Aggregate Recommendation Diversity Using Ranking-Based Technique. The goal of this process is that when a user wants to buy a product, if he is new to this product, he doesn't know which product should be sold first and which product should be used first. If a recommendation is provided from the outside source, then it is easy to buy a product. To overcome this process, that is to compensate this process, the paper has been presented here. It means that using applying the techniques of algorithms like parameterized-based ranking and item popularity-based ranking, the users were provided with the recommended system. For example, if I want to buy a product and if it is new to the if it is new, then I can, using the recommended system, I can easily purchase that product. For example, I just consider a spatial and non-spatial objects. If a spatial object is present and if I don't know about the spatial objects, I can apply this technique and I can able to see that product, whether it is an efficient one or non-efficient one. The existing of this paper is that recommendation has been provided, but diversity and accuracy losses has not been managed. In a sense, product count were very less, but using the algorithm like item popularity and parameterized based ranking and other ranking approaches like random approach, the diversity and accuracy loss has been maintained efficiently. Now let me continue with the data flow of this process. When the client requests to a product, initially the request has been transferred to the server. The server will apply that is, for example, we will be passing some data sets like cloth data set, movie kind of data set. This data set has been passed to the server. The server applies ranking approach. In a sense, it will apply standard ranking approach and item popularity approach. The standard ranking approach is existing of your paper, and item popularity approach is the proposed of this paper, and these techniques were applied and diversity gain has been compared here. Similarly, parameterized ranking and accuracy loss calculation has been calculated, and finally the items were distributed to the client, and the feedback were getting by the user. Now let me see about the process of a project. First of all, let me see about the running procedure. First, you need to run the opinion.java. There, first of all you have to register to your server, whether I want to purchase or something like that. You have to enter your mail ID and the code should be unique. You have to enter your password and you have to click register. Then you have to go to dataset.java and run dataset.java and click registration. You will get a message called registered successfully, and go to login, click 145 and click your password, click login and go to here, click login. Your message has been retrieved here. Once login success, the list of available items are here. So movie kind of dataset, hospital, clothes and hotel. If I want to know something about that movie dataset, first of all I have to select one thing. For example, I had opinion. For example, if there will be a lot of movies, but initially I too have some opinion. Based on the opinion that the product item has been opinion should be given here. I'm giving there. You have to click send opinion. You have to go to server and click receive request. The product item is movie. This data has been browsed here. To go there, I have to go to dataset. To select that movie kind of dataset. Click submit. Data has been entered and an opinion has been added by the server. It is the initial process. Next, you have to click the item. You have to going to compare the item for item ranking and rate of standard. We need to compare the results, and it is shown that here item where a number of items were presented in case of item popularity, and number of items were less in standard approach. Then similarly, you have to click for parameterized and standard approach, and accuracy loss has been compared here. And you have to click intimate. You have to go to client and you have to run opinion.client.java. Click accept. So ranking process has been should be initiated here. Click here. Then you have to click receive request. Click accept. So level is 5. You have to enter 5. Click submit. Click send and go to client. and click receive request. Your request has been received here. So when a client requests a kind of data set, so these kind of items were being displayed here based upon the ranking approaches. Then after that the feedback should be given here. Whether after using that product I want to given this have to give this feedback. That feedback will be available and will be added in the server. You have to go to server and you have to run receive.java. There you need to click receive and you have to click process, have to click set. That's it. Thank you for listening to the process. Thank you.